Sometimes when you're doing hobby projects or building side projects or even building things at work, you want to keep a track of your API usage across a bunch of different providers that you might be using. Here's an example of how I approached it using Lovable and n8n to build a dashboard where you can see the usage of each of the APIs you're using and how much usage or cost you're using, so that you know when you're hitting limits or what is probably causing the limits. Here I am tracking this is a new side project I've started for my new side projects. So you'll see really small numbers here with OpenAI, Anthropic APIs for LLMs, ElevenLabs for text to speech or ASR, Tavily or Firecrawl for web scraping, Tado for home assistant and smart home, heating controls, SERP API, and there's also Perplexity, which I use but I can't track here, or Pinecone and Gemini. So these are a few different things that I can track, which helps me understand how my API usage is going and if there are any concerns. Often, when new users start using some APIs, the first thing that they're worried about is, I think this is fine, especially when you see the concern about tokens being released or, sorry, being stolen or whatnot. Your main concern is most likely things will be fine, but if something catastrophic happens, how will I know? And this should help you guard against that. This also lets you export CSV or toggle to light mode, and also to sign out and sign in. And I have disabled sign up because right now all the APIs are hard coded to me. But if anybody were to reuse this project, they'll be able to enter all their API keys and have a completely dedicated API usage tracker just for them.